Hello everyone, today in this lecture we are going to learn the different uses of were and was, but if you are new to my channel then subscribe the channel and like the video. Well, let's move and learn it one by one. The word was is used to form the past progressive tense. The past progressive tense is used to describe an action that was happening in the past at a certain time. You need to remember that it is used as a helping verb or auxiliary verb which is used with these subjects, he, she, it, singular noun and I. Just look at these examples. He was watching a movie. Look at this sentence. The word was is used as a helping verb in past continuous tense which is used to talk about an action that is continue in the past. You can see in this example the process of watching was continue for a certain period of time. So, you can say that it works as a helping verb in past continuous tense. Look at the next sentence. She was going to the market. Observe this example. Again the word was is used with a subject, she, and it is a past continuous tense. Basically, it talks about the action of going to the market in the past. Smith was playing cricket. Again the word was is used with a subject, Smith, and it is a past continuous tense because it shows the act of playing cricket which was continue in the past. The term was is also used as a linking verb to show connection with a noun or an adjective. Simply, it means that it can be used as a linking verb with these subjects, he, she, it, singular noun and I. Basically, it links a subject with a noun or an adjective that modifies the subject. Look at these examples. He was a doctor. Look at this sentence. The term was is used as a linking verb with a subject, he, because it links the subject with a noun, a doctor. Basically, it tells us that who he was. So you can say that it can also be used as a linking verb. The next example is Simon was happy. Again in this example, the word was is used with a singular noun, Simon, and here it shows a connection with a subject and an adjective, happy. Basically, here the adjective describes the subject and it is linked with an adjective through a linking verb, was. The next example is she was nice. Look at this example. The term was is again used as a linking verb because it shows a connection of a subject with an adjective, nice. So you can say that it can also function as a linking verb in a sentence. The word was is also used in the passive voice construction. Simply, it means that this word is also used in passive voice for converting simple tense active sentence into passive voice. In other words, it can be used as a helping verb. Just look at these examples. But you should also remember that it is used with these subjects, he, she, it, singular noun and I. Just look at these examples. He was given a book. Look at this sentence. This is a passive voice sentence of simple past tense and the word was is used. Actually, here the subject is not giving a book but the subject is given a book. So this is a passive voice and it is used with a subject, he. Look at the next example. She was awarded with a trophy. Observe this sentence. Again the word was is used for making passive voice construction with a subject, she. But the question is how it is a passive voice, so the answer is because here the subject did not give a trophy to someone but the subject is given a trophy, so this is a passive voice sentence. The next example is Smith was beaten by a police. Again the term was is used as a helping verb to construct the passive voice sentence because Smith did not beat the police but he himself was beaten by a police. In simple words, you should keep in mind this point that the term was can also be used in a passive voice sentence. Simply, it means that the word was can also be used to form passive voice, and as you know, passive voice is used when an action is happened to a subject of the sentence. As you have understood the use of the word was, let's move and learn the term were. The word were is used as a helping verb in past continuous tense. It means that it is the first use of this term that it is used as an auxiliary verb in past continuous tense. But you need to remember that it is used with these subjects, they, we, you, and plural names. Just look at these examples. They were enjoying the party. Look at this example. The term were is used as a helping verb with the subject, they. And it is a past continuous tense because it shows that an action was in progress in the past. Look the next example. We were not playing the game. Again, the term were is used as a helping verb with a subject, we, and it is past continuous tense. The next example is Siam and Smith were going on the way. Observe this example. Here are plural names, so the helping verb, were, is used and it is also past continuous or progressive tense. You can simply say that it can be used as a helping verb in past continuous tense. The term were can also be used to form a passive construction of a sentence. Simply, it means that this word is also to make passive voice. But, you need to remember that in passive voice it is used with these subjects, they, you, we, and plural names. Just look at these examples. They were mistreated in the meeting. Look to this example. The word, were, is used as an auxiliary verb with the subject, they, and it is a passive voice sentence of simple past tense, because it means that they did not mistreat anyone but they themselves were mistreated. The next example is we were not given a book. Again, the term were is used as a helping verb with the subject, we, and it is simple past tense in passive voice. Alina and Nina were forced to obey. Just observe this one. The helping verb is the word were, and it is used with plural nouns, and it is a passive sentence because both of them did not force anyone but they themselves were forced by someone. So, you can say that it can also be used to make passive sentence. The word were is also be used in hypothetical situations to express a condition that is contrary to fact. Simply, it means that this word can also be used in conditional sentences to make a hypothetical situation. Just look at these examples. If I were a bird, I would fly away. Look at this example. The word were is used to make a hypothetical situation, and it is a second conditional sentence. Because I cannot be a bird. So, it can be used in a hypothetical situation. The next example is he would be happy if he were you. Pay attention to this sentence. The term were is again used for hypothetical situation because one person cannot be another person. If they were rich, they would buy a car. The word were indicates a hypothetical situation, so it is used with the subject, they. In simple words, you should remember that it is also used in conditional sentences. Well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.